Libras, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your October month reading for further messages in October. So this will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. So please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. So start your reading. I say speedily to save time, but I'm not succeed to save time. So okay, your underneath cards are Three of Wands and King of Cups. So here I'm seeing that you are waiting for something, and you are waiting for something for a long time. Now you are seeing the results, and now you are seeing that time is nearer to you now. Whatever you were waiting for, now it's in your doorstep, and now you can offer your love, which is mature and like pure love. You are offering to your person. Maybe it's like that your waiting time is going to over now. Very soon your waiting time will be over, and you will offer the person you were waiting for is coming towards you and offer their cup to you. Or maybe you are waiting for the right time to offer someone your cup of love. So this is a time you can do this, or maybe this time is very near to you. Here I'm seeing that you are manifesting this relationship. You're manifesting this, and this is a time where you have powers, like you can manifest it. You are having a power. If you pray, your prayer will be answered in this time. This is the time, and you are manifesting the person with to be single. Maybe you were waiting for a person who was with someone else, and you wanted them to left this person and come back to you. Or maybe if you were involved with someone, and that person don't know it, or maybe that person know or don't know, I don't, it's up to you. Like it's your condition, it's your situation. So if this person know or don't know, you wanted to this person to be single, you wanted this person to be single and come back to you. Or maybe if this person knew to you and this person was with someone else, you were praying that you were hoping or praying that um, this person should be with you, this person should be yours. So this is the time you are seeing that news is coming towards you about the person, that this person is going to be single now, and very soon this person will be single. So this is the news for you, which is you were waiting for a long time. So now this person is single and ready to mingle. So you are ready to offer your cup of love to this person. Or maybe you are recently becoming a single, and now you are ready to offer your cup of love to the person with whom you are involved in love relationship. Or maybe secretly you admire this person from afar, but you were in someone else, but now you are ready to offer your cup to this person, because you are free from the third party. So this is the time, this is the news for someone. One of you is this news is a good news, which is giving you happiness of your life. So this time you are very much happy, because your long term waiting is over now, and you are ready to have your love connection, which is your soulmate, which you call your soulmate, which you love, like the person you love most is can come in your love life, and you are going to offer your love to this person. So this is the time you can you can turn the situation in your favor. You can manifest this, you can turn the situation in your favor. This is a time. So take advantage, full advantage of this time. So offer your love to this person and commitment to this person, which will bring happiness in your love life. Or if you were in a connection, if you are happily in a connection with someone and this person is away from you because of work, so this is the time you are enjoying your single and abundant life. And and if you are having children with this person, no, you are enjoying a lot with children's, and it's a stable time for you. So Libras, that was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.